this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix can't install Bitget app from Google Play Store. If you're trying to install this buy and sell crypto app, but you are unable from Google Play Store, then there is a quick fix that you can follow to fix this problem. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Now, to get started, you need to go to your Google Play Store app and tap on it to open, and make sure you are logged in with your Gmail before you search for your app. However, if you are already logged in but you are unable, then tap on this profile icon here, that is your Gmail profile, and go down to settings. Under settings, look for this option called network preferences, and under it go to app download preference, and here you want to change this to over any network. This will ensure you can download apps via the current network you are connected to. Then tap on OK to save changes, and now go turn on your mobile data or Wi-Fi depending on which one you are using. Then search for your app, and this should fix your problem. However, if you can't still download the Bitget app, then the problem might be with Google Play Store app itself. For that, you need to access its app info page, and you can do this through settings here, but the shortcut method is just to long press on your Google Play Store app, and you should see app info shortcut here. If you don't see this app info shortcut, you should see the name of the app or a settings gear next to it here, depending on your version. Tap on any of this to access Google Play Store app info page. Here we want to clear the app data, more especially cache data, and you can see a breakdown of data stored by Google Play Store here. You can see currently I have over 7 MBs, almost close to 8 MBs in cache data. So we don't need this data because these are just small files that Google Play Store normally collects and stores to enhance your user experience. However, when these files accumulate, they might cause your Google Play Store to malfunction, and this might cause issues downloading apps. To fix this, go to clear data down below and choose clear cache, and finally OK. Now you can see our cache data has been cleared. At this point, you'll need to restart your smartphone before you can download or install your apps. Once you have restarted your phone, now open Google Play Store, search the app by name. So I'll search Bitget like that, and let me run the search now, and here we have our app. Now I'll try to install it, and let's see if this works. And finally, look at that, I'm able to install the app. However, if you're still not able to install the app, then you might want to check your storage and free up space by deleting unnecessary files such as apps or even photos and images that you no longer need, to create more space for you to be able to download and install Bitget app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.